Crash Course on New Zealand Economy, an overview of New Zealand's economy, including its major industries and sectors, and its role in the global economy. New Zealand is a small, open economy that is heavily reliant on trade. It has a population of around 5 million people and a GDP of approximately $220 billion. The country is known for its primary industries, such as agriculture and forestry, as well as its manufacturing, services and tourism sectors. One interesting example of New Zealand's economy is its agricultural sector. The country is a major exporter of dairy products, meat, wool, and other agricultural commodities. It is also known for its innovative agricultural practices, such as the use of rotational grazing to improve soil health and reduce greenhouse gas emissions. Another interesting example is New Zealand's film industry. The country has become a popular location for film productions, thanks in part to its stunning landscapes and competitive tax incentives. Blockbusters such as The Lord of the Rings trilogy and The Hobbit were filmed in New Zealand, and the industry has continued to grow in recent years. Top 12 economies in New Zealand. 1. Agriculture. New Zealand is known for its strong agricultural sector, which includes dairy, beef, sheep, wool, and horticulture. 2. Tourism. With its stunning landscapes and friendly people, New Zealand is a popular destination for tourists from around the world. 3. Manufacturing. New Zealand has a diverse manufacturing sector, including food and beverage, machinery, and transport equipment. 4. Services. The services sector is a significant contributor to the New Zealand economy, including finance, insurance, and business services. 5. Construction. The construction sector is a major employer in New Zealand, with a focus on residential and commercial building. 6. Education. Education is an important industry in New Zealand, with a large number of international students choosing to study in the country. 7. Forestry. New Zealand has a significant forestry industry, including both plantation and native forests. 8. Mining. Although relatively small, the mining sector plays an important role in the New Zealand economy, including gold, coal, and iron sand mining. 9. Information and communication technology. The ICT sector is a growing industry in New Zealand, with a focus on software development and telecommunications. 10. Fishing. New Zealand's fishing industry includes both commercial and recreational fishing, with a focus on seafood exports. 11. Energy. New Zealand has a diverse energy sector, including hydroelectric, geothermal, wind, and natural gas. 12. Creative industries. New Zealand has a vibrant creative sector, including film and television, music, and the arts. A poem. New Zealand's economy. Built on a foundation so strong. Agriculture and tourism. And innovation all day long. From dairy farms and vineyards to Lord of the Rings on the screen, New Zealand's economic prowess is a sight to be seen. With manufacturing and services, construction and education too, the Kiwis have built an economy that's diverse and ever new. So let us raise a glass to New Zealand's economy so great, a shining example for the world of how to thrive and innovate. A song. Verse 1. New Zealand's economy, a land of innovation and trade. From farming to film, and everything in between is made. Chorus. New Zealand's economy, a force to be reckoned with, built on a foundation of diversity and a spirit of innovation that's never quit. Verse 2. Agriculture and tourism are some of our greatest strengths, but there's so much more to our economy that's growing in leaps and lengths. Chorus. New Zealand's economy, a force to be reckoned with, built on a foundation of diversity and a spirit of innovation that's never quit. Bridge. From creative industries to ICT and energy too, our economy is thriving. We hope this video has given you a taste of all the incredible experiences New Zealand has to offer. If you're ready to start planning your own adventure to New Zealand, please ensure to use our booking.com referral link https://www.booking.com/index.html. Aid equals 7989335 to book your flights, hotels, car rentals, local attractions, and more. It's an easy and kind way to support this channel and make sure you get the best possible deals on your trip. Thank you. And Hub Metaverse team.